Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove a label color in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to customize your label colors and remove them when needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find the label you want to remove the color from and click on the More option next to it. This will display additional options for that specific label. Step 4. Now, hover your cursor over the Label Color option. This will reveal a color palette. Step 5. From the color palette, click on the Remove Color option. This will remove the color from the label, reverting it back to the default color. By following these steps, you can easily remove a label color in Gmail on your PC. Customize your label colors to stay organized and easily remove them whenever you need a change. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Enjoy a personalized Gmail experience on your PC with label color customization.